Okay, good morning, Gapera Sports Corner. What do you look forward? I like to ask first si Sir Coach and of course si Sir Lucas. What do you look forward on the opportunity to play in the front of the home crowd? Because it has been 5 years since the last time we hosted an international competition, the SEA Games in Manila. And of course, one of the advantages is to play against the top Asian teams to make sure that the chances of making it into the top 4 is evitable for you. Coach Noel.
Well, it was well. I, when we was experiencing games here, 2019 was incredible, and I think we were not prepared for the support. Right now we are, and we told the other new players what's coming up, and they are really exciting. I think playing for the home crowd, that's going to be a huge advantage for us. And we are really proud to play in front our home crowd. So I think, well, that's going to be a huge advantage for us against the other teams.
Okay, before we... Okay. Before we ask Lucas, most of the members, the composition of the team are from Sweden, and there is also some local standouts who also participate. They're based in the country.
Yes, most of the players that have the most experience is from Sweden and play in the highest league there. And they are also here to develop the youth players here in our pre-camp, so that's, I think, really good, really nice to train together with the youth here. As Ralph mentioned, now we are at the stage that we will go for the championship in Sweden, so it's really important that we have a really strong team to make the Philippines proud.
Okay, Lucas, what do you look forward for the campaign of Team Pilipinas in the upcoming Asian qualifiers?
For me, I've talked about it before, but it's going to be very excited to play again here in the Philippines, and now with some few more years in my life and more experience, I know that there is a different. I've been playing a lot of big games in Sweden, but as they used to say, I mean, it's different sometimes in the Philippines. So we weren't prepared for it, even though we thought we were. But hopefully this time we will be more prepared, so we can use that as an advantage to give us good energy and reason not to quit as well. So and we hope to see a lot of young kids play maybe new players there. So hopefully we're gonna do them proud, but we're gonna do all our best and show our puso all the way.
Okay, tanungin ko si Sir Ralph, although naitanong ko na ito sa Zoom interview natin, paano nakakatulong itong pag-host natin, itong Asian qualifiers upang mapalakas panlalo yung ating floorball sa bansa, especially yung sa grassroots side natin?
Yeah, so as we know, hosting such international events, it's an opportunity for the locals, hosting, syempre, to witness the best of the best, the best talents, athletes, from in the world, or at least in Asia, Oceania, So watching them live is very important, because iba pa rin talaga yung atmosphere, right? When you are in the arena, or you're in the crowd, iba syempre yung experience, compared to just watching it behind the screen. So that's why we invite everyone to come and watch, of course, support our men's team during the tournament qualifiers.
And lastly, mukhang maganda-ganda yung recognition na yun ng floorball, lalo na sa Cebu. Maganda ang grassroots program na sinimula ni Ma'am Angelica Bengson, na of course meron na siyang award from the Sports Writers Association of Cebu na magaganap nga later this month after ditong qualifiers. So ang alam ko, meron kayong plano na magkaroon kayo ng training camp kasama ang ating Philippine men's floorball team dyan sa Karkar this coming May 26, can you share about it? Salamat!
Thank you. Indeed, some of our national team members after the competition will proceed. No? Actually, some of them will go with their respective provinces, hometown, but some I think are going down sa Karkar, no? City to help again introduce help floorball.
Rob, interested lang ako. May binago ba sa venue natin ng Phil Sports? Kasi we know, pang basketball yan, pang volleyball yan. Ano bang klaseng venue ang meron kayo? Yung bang flooring, yun pa rin?
Yes, well, again with the PSC, particularly Phil Sports Arena, we have a world-class facility, and I think we are capable to host such events. No? Again, we are grateful to the PSC for again co-hosting with us this event. Yes, we have the Taraflex flooring. So as you know, with the Ultra Phil Sports Arena, we can easily modify yung space. While karaniwan itong ginagamit for basketball or volleyball, which is relatively smaller, because with floorball you play it in a 40 by 20 meter space, or area. Compared to basketball, I think 30 by 15 meters lang. So with floorball, it's 40 by 20, mas malaki. But then again, with Phil Sports Arena, especially with the recent renovation from our SEA Games hosting, we benefit from that. So that's why I think, all the more I think we should host more events, not only floorball but other events, international events.
2 quarters, no?
Bali, meron po tayo 3 periods,
3 periods.
of 20 minutes. So it's played 60 minutes, 3 periods of 20 minutes each period.
Okay. Lucas, please do invite all our friends to support you.